Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Flaronto, or you can call me Flaronto. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's share this video. Actually, we're just here for learning purposes. Understand that this is not financial advisory. We're just here to give informatory purposes. We just give information of how the market are actually happening. We just give the information of how the trade charts actually are happening and how we can actually trade them. So just giving analysis, the top-down analysis, the sentimental analysis, technical analysis in the forex market. Now guys, we're going to talk about trading on retests, because I want to show you how the retesting is actually very much important in the trading sector. Because you guys, I'm talking to the greedy traders who don't even understand why we should be trading on reversals, because reversals is a very much important concept to trade, because trading on reversals is actually the psychology of the institution. Okay, trading on reversals, because the institutions are actually the market movers of the market. So you understand, if you understand this concept of trading on reversals is very much important. Now you can see here we're trading gold, and I'm going to give analysis of how trading on reversals is very much important. Okay, so here the market was actually on a downtrend. You can see here, let me mark out these zones. The market was on a downtrend, right? You can see here, yeah, you can see here, right? The market was actually on a downtrend. Okay, I can mark this zone here. Okay, so the sellers were in control of the market. I can see here, let me show you clearly, very much clearly. We're respecting the YouTube algorithm. I want to show you guys how trading on reversal is very much important, and very much important. Okay, you can see here the sellers were in control of the market until this zone, and then they were no longer they did not push the market downwards, and then it led to creation of this order block here. Okay, this is the last candlestick to push before a bigger move. Okay, now if you mark that zone here, and just mark that zone here and wait for the price to retest back. Mark that zone here very clearly. Let's mark again. Mark that zone here. Okay, mark that zone clearly. Mark that zone clearly, and understand that the order block is actually part of the 7 institution reference points. So the order block will always be respected. Okay, I don't know what I is not marking, but you can mark it very again. Okay, look at this zone here. So if you mark this zone, and you see the market went upwards and it tested back this zone here again. You can see it retested this zone here, and then it made, look at that impulse, look at that bullish move. So if you could have entered this trade on this zone here, you can have made huge profits. Okay, so I wanted to show you how you don't need to be wasting. Let us go to the down. Let's go to the 15 down frame. You see where we have marked that zone. Okay, guys, this is very much important to understand. Trading on reversal is very much key. Okay, don't waste your time on trading. Just wait for those zones to be marked, and then you trade them. I'm even going to show you another place. Let me show you. Okay, I want you to be trading on reversals. We are actually on a 15 minutes time frame, okay? And I want to show you how, because it's very much clear, you can see it. Trading on reversal is very much important, okay? Trading on reversals is very much important. Waiting for the market to retest back, okay? Now, 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 I want to look for a good trade setup that needs a trade of reversal. Now, look at this trade here. Okay, let me look for another one. Let me look for another one. Okay, let me look for another one. Let me look for another one. You can even try reversals on sales. Okay, look at this zone here. Look at this zone here, guys. Look at this zone here. As you can see, the market was actually in a bullish trend. It reached at this zone here. It is its peak, and then this is a resistance zone, and then it did not actually put. So you can see there's a resistance zone here. Okay, so you can mark out this zone here. Let me show you. This is a resistance zone here. Okay, you can mark that zone here. So what do? You can see that it created what a small downtrend and retested back. Now, how did you do work with that confirmation? There's a structure change shift. Okay, there's a change of character, as you can see. Okay, or we can call MSS for the ones who know it. So you can see here what happened. It retested back, and then it is tested back to this zone right here. This is the last candlestick to print. This is like an order block. Let us mark this zone here. You can see. So it has retested back, and then what do you do? You consider massive sells. For the first one, I showed you going long in the buys, and now I'm showing you for the sells. So it's very much important to consider this zone. You don't need to be in a hurry to trade. You just need to stay for a little bit and then understand how you're going to create these profits. So you just need to enter trades right here from the comfort of your zone and mark out the take profit down here. All right, so that's all for today. Subscribe for more.